Seun Kuti angrily stormed out of Pellers' wedding yesterday after the MC made a joke saying that Wizkid was better than Fela. Verydarkman has also revealed the reason why he did not attend Pellers' wedding yesterday, and according to him, he said the Nigerian police force in Lagos set trap for him that if he touched down in Lagos, they will arrest him. How this wedding go finish and no particular drama go come up, and it's very obvious that one particular drama must kick out from this Pellers' wedding, and this time is involving Seun Kuti, the son of Fela Kuti. Okay guys, it was said that yesterday during the wedding celebration of Pella and Jarvis that the MC was anchoring the event, made reference and joked about the online drama that happened between Seun Kuti and Wizkid. And according to what happened, the MC made reference and said that Wizkid was bigger than Fela, and that angered Seun Kuti, and he angrily stormed out of the event center. And according to him, according to the video that have been circulating online, he said that he is in the wrong place and he angrily left. One of the MCs that anchored the event, MC Edo Pikin, has come out to deny that and also said that nothing like that happened. In a video he released, he said that he was one of the MCs that anchored that event, and he can vouch for himself and the other two MCs who was there present that none of them made such statement. Listen to what MC Edo Pikin had to say.
You know why we are so agog to negativity and bad news, orchestrated, fabricated bad news. You understand? First of all, this wedding, there are 3 MCs. You understand? They already had 2 MCs before the client reached out to me and told me, bros, I beg, I saw you at Soso Bereko's wedding. I want you to coordinate my wedding. I don't mind anything. I want you to coordinate. Beautiful. And the wedding was flawless. Sweet wedding. Flawless wedding. What do people expect to happen? No, me, I'm not here to talk about myself. I say with the 3 MCs. But then again, I'm just a professional for such, you know. We don't talk much for this one by the grace of God Almighty. But I'm here to talk about the other MCs. These guys did not say anything like that. Yes, they try, they finish work too. They don't talk anything like that. A lot of people are saying, I know, nobody don't pick talk, maybe not the other MCs. The first thing that exonerate me, come up for the whole thing. No me say, I know, come. I get the platform to defend the other MCs. There was nothing as such. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, I made sure I worked. There was a good synergy to work with the other 2 MCs. You get what I'm talking about? Listen to this video where now. You go just even when they turn back. Nobody they mention anything about Fela Wizkid. Listen to the background voice. Listen. DJ, are you playing? Listen, now just normal game of making everybody happy. Myself, Ronaldo fan, Davido and Wizkid fan, the ginger. At the end of the day, they'll say the MCs will say Davido and Wizkid and one. They'll play one big Davido song, one big Wizkid. Everybody come vibe together, play Burna Boy on, play Shali Copy on. We come, you know, when couple go change, we come change the atmosphere of the event. Might be the game and everything. And what was said actually was this. Are you playing? Listen, don't make it don't behave like people who say they are bigger than Baba Fela. Calm down. Respect your niche, respect yourself. You understand? So you now praise is to even so sometimes but you need to listen where what did they praise Fela na problem for you? What did they talk about Fela na problem for you? Now praise they praise Fela. You never listen. You just miss the rice, the pounded yam, the sweet food where they pay for where sweet for that. You just talk. Anytime you just hear Fela, whether I praise they praise them, you just know one listen. So the essence say that they praise Fela, you turn back. You understand? So I don't know. No, they verify bloggers. Not be so they are today no gossip and the red they kill. Not be so they reach where they did. All these bloggers everywhere. They go define. So the event was so flawless that bloggers didn't even get any part where they feel post. Pella behave where Jarvis everybody. Now me they I mean, the rest FC, Twale, finish work. Then they fight, they don't say, oh, they have to orchestrate something. Nigerians, very gullible Nigerians. Yeah? The other MCs when they talk, say, they don't even talk anything like that. Now don't see the whole thing now. So, abortion, they calm down sometimes. They calm down, they enjoy every moment. Maybe a quarter, you are respected. Eh? The word is sweet. It's sweet. Pellers shut down everywhere. Pay the right MCs, you get the right job done, man. I love you guys, man. It's all got what of them or don't play. Gee.
Verydarkman during a live session yesterday has revealed the reason in which he could not attend Pellers' wedding. According to Verydarkman, he said his Asoebi was ready, everything was ready, but due to the ongoing issues he has been having with the Lagos State Police and he's trying to unmask the AIG of the police in Lagos, that a warrant and also a trap has been set for him that if he touched down Lagos, that they would arrest him. He was planning to be there with Pella for his wedding, but unfortunately he could not come to Lagos. That he knows that if he comes to Lagos, he would definitely be arrested. Listen to what Verydarkman had to say.
Unfortunately, I could not go to Lagos because I have so many enemies, right? I have bigger enemies now in Lagos right now. And the Lagos police right now, we are not friends. So immediately I go into Lagos, there's a high chance that I might be set up. So that's why I could not go to Lagos. But I wish I have the Asoebi here, but unfortunately, but of course, the wedding is going well. Very beautiful wedding. I love all the people. I love how the people are happy. And I was watching everything and I was smiling because, you know, I really love that boy Pella and Jowizaza, of course. You people know that. That's why sometimes when he does some funny things at the best, because I really love the boy and care about him, you know. So, but yeah, happy married life to them. You understand? Their marriage is blessed, and the child that they are expecting is blessed as well. You understand? That boy has a very bright future in the country. He's going to use his influence one day for something.
Elizabeth, how do you feel? You feel good, right? Let me to appreciate her. Kiss her forehead.
Her forehead.
Kiss her forehead.
Her forehead.
Her nose.
Her nose.
Her cheek.
Her cheek.
Her stomach.
Her stomach.
Elizabeth, turn for Zaddy. Turn for Zaddy. Turn for Zaddy.
Turn.
Let me to kiss her back.
Kiss her back.
Be coming now. Just kiss her back. Kiss her back. Her back. Her back. Oh yeah, flood the ring. Flood the ring. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I present to you.
Present to you.
The latest.
The latest.
And the latest.
And the latest.
And the latest.
And the latest.
Mr.
On.
Missy. I'm so thankful. Oh yeah, so we bring that back to your boyfriend. Bye bye to your boyfriend. Bye to your shopper, bro. To your shopper, bro. Bye bye to your boyfriend. Tell me, baby, baby, also. Baby, also. Yeah, baby, also. Thank you so much.
What's that? SBJ, what's that? SBJ, what's that, bro? SBJ, what's that? Lamborghini SBJ, what's that? Bro! SBJ, what's that? Bro! SBJ, what's that? Cyber Pro! Bro, Cyber! That's not! Lambo! Bro, G-Wagon! Ojo! Jeremy! Joe! Joe! SM90! Go SM90!